In California, if you've been determined to be a danger to yourself or others, you may be placed on what's called a 5150 hold. This is a reference to Welfare and Institutions Code 5150. And in Welfare and Institutions Code 5150, if there is this determination that you are a danger or a finding that you are a danger to others, you'll be placed on a temporary and involuntary psychiatric hold for 72 hours. And during this 72 hours, you will be continued to be observed and evaluated. And once that 72 hours has expired, you'll be released. And upon release, you'll be advised that you won't be allowed to possess, own, or have access to firearms for a 5-year period. However, it is possible to reinstate your firearm rights before that 5-year period has expired. There is a process under Welfare and Institutions Code 8103 that you can petition the court to reinstate those firearm rights. And under Welfare and Institutions Code 8103, the court needs to make a determination whether or not you can safely and lawfully handle and use a firearm. In opposition to this request, in opposition to the request to reinstate your firearm rights, the district attorney's office has the burden of proof to prove by a preponderance of the evidence. That means more likely than not that you cannot safely or lawfully use a firearm. If the court makes a finding that the district attorney's office has not met their burden of proof, then the court will lift that 5-year ban, notify the DOJ that the 5-year ban has been lifted, and you'll again be allowed to possess, own, and have access to firearms. My name's Lieberman. I am an attorney with Sevens Legal here in San Diego. I'm here to give you some Golden State gun guidelines and talk to you about firearm laws in California. If you or anyone you know have questions about whether you can lawfully possess a firearm in California, or if you're being investigated criminally for firearm-related charges, contact Sevens Legal. We offer free consultations, and we're here to help.